How's it going, everyone? This is Carlton. First of all, I'd like to thank everyone for watching my other videos. What we're going to be doing today is setting up ADB for Mac computers. ADB stands for Android Debug Bridge, and what this allows you to do is input commands to your Android device. Don't worry about the links, I will provide them in the description below. Now, the first thing that you want to do is very simple. All you have to do is create a new folder. I put it on my desktop and name it Android, and we're going to be using that. So yeah, I'm sure you know how to create a folder. So now moving on. Now what you're going to want to do next is go into your browser, and we're going to be downloading the Android Sdk right here. Go ahead and agree to the terms and download it. Now it should take a while, so I will be right back after this is done. Okay, after the download has finished, you're going to want to unzip the file, and you're going to want to copy everything into the Android folder. And then once it's all in there, what you're going to want to do is go into SDK and then Tools and double click on Android. So just take a second, it's going to open this up. What you're going to want to do is place the tick marks next to Android SDK Tools and Android SDK Platform Tools, and then go ahead and install packages. I'm not allowed to do it right now because I've already done it on this machine. After that, it's going to ask you for permission or whatever. Go ahead and agree to it. It's going to download and install. Next, what you're going to want to do is go into your Android folder and go ahead and look for platform tools, and go ahead and copy ADB and fast boot. So copy two items, and go ahead and go back to the root of that folder right here and go ahead and paste those two. So you're going to be moving the ADB and fast boot from platform tools out here into this main folder. Okay, so now what you're going to want to do is go into your phone settings. Go all the way down to About Phone. And go all the way down to Build Number and tap it 7 times, and it'll tell you that you are a developer. Go back and notice that underneath Printing there's a new option called Developer Options. Go into it, and right here in the upper right it says off, but go ahead and turn it on and hit OK. Hit USB debugging and check that and hit OK. And now you are in USB debugging mode. The way you can tell is that in the upper left corner there's a little KitKat bar, and if you pull down from the top it says USB debugging connected. And from here you can do some pretty cool things that I will show you in just a second. Okay, now what you're going to want to do is open up a terminal and point it at the Android folder that's on your desktop. And instead of my name, go ahead and type the computer, like the name of the computer or your name, whatever you set it up as. Go ahead and hit enter. And then what you're going to want to do is type /adb devices with your Android device plugged in. And what this is going to do is it's going to display whatever Android device is plugged into the computer. So I'm going to go ahead and hit enter now. And that's my device that's hooked up to the computer now. And it should be like this. It shows you that the computer and the device is communicating between each other. Now, if you noticed earlier, I had to type in / before ADB enable for it to be able to work. And we're going to go ahead and get rid of that so we can just type in ADB devices. Now, at this point, you can totally use ADB and fastboot and all that. It's already installed, but you know, it makes it easier. So go ahead and type this in right here, starting at the nano, and go ahead and hit enter. Oops, sorry, wasn't in my terminal. Hit enter. So go ahead and type this in, this that you see here, right there. And instead of my name, go ahead and type your name in, or you know, the name of your computer or whatever, however you set it up as. Go ahead and hit Control X, and then when it asks to confirm, just hit Y, and it should be good. Okay, now let me go ahead and show you what we've just done. Let's open up a terminal. And now instead of typing /adb, all you have to do is adb devices and it'll work. There you go. There's my device again, and everything seems to be working fine. I'm just going to go ahead and real quick go Adb Reboot, and it's going to go ahead and reboot my phone, and you're going to see it in just a second. Right here should be working. And there you go. Okay, so thanks a lot for watching, guys. If you like this video, go ahead and hit like. If you have any questions, comments, please leave them below, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thanks, everyone.